Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Julius and I review Tesla accessories. And today we're gonna review this LASFIT Tesla accessory, which is the center console side anti-kick pads for my Model Y over here. So if you're new to the channel, I have a video when I took delivery of this Model Y back in December of last year, 2022. So today we're gonna open this up. This just arrived today. This is from LASFIT. I'm gonna put the description below. And if you happen to see this video, you can get 15% off, not just for this particular item, but also for any other items in the website. And LASFIT also sell not just for Teslas, but also other make and models. So if you want to spruce up your ride, go to the website, visit their website. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we've got here. And then we're going to do the installation. So it comes with the user manual right there. So it comes with two pieces, and this would be for the left side and the right side. And as you can see here, it's a good quality material right here, and it's got a Velcro because the car is like a felt material, so this will just simply stick into it and the Velcro right there. So this one will come right here. So let me grab the manual just to make sure. So you got two pieces here. It says that ensure the correct position and align it. So right there. Okay, so this one right appears to be on the left side, so which is the side where I am right now. So let's move this car seat to the back so we can put this on. So as you can see here, okay, pardon the dirt here, we just came from camping. So as you can see, this is felt material. This is kind of plasticky, and then we can now put this as a protection in case you come in with your vehicle and you have a dirty shoe or something, and you happen to also kick this side of your car, then you will have that protection. So it will go in here. So it's cut precisely. So I guess you will have to remove, if you have like a floor mat, go ahead and remove that. So I'm gonna remove mine like so. So it leaves you with this space right here. So you kind of just make sure it's not sticking in right away, so that you can align the cut of this like so. So you align it like that, and then that is perfectly aligned now. And then just fold it like that. Looks like we have to put this on top. So as you can see there, it really snugs. Okay. There you go. So it protects that carpet material all the way here in the back. So it's cut precisely. Okay. So I'm gonna attach on the other side also, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so this is now the right side of the vehicle. So I'm just gonna fold the carpeting, and then this will go here. So you just aligned this corner, and then goes up like that. So make sure the corner and the edge are aligning, because this is designed perfectly for this vehicle. So it will there you go. So this is how it looks right now. So it blends on this material, and also this is the anti-kick. Okay, so why would you do this? Because again, the material that's behind this is like a carpet material like this one, and it attracts dust pretty easily. You can vacuum it, but if you have this one, because it's like a rubberized material, so all you do is just wipe it with baby wipes, and it's easy to clean rather than vacuuming it. So that's that for now. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have a request of what accessory or what feature of the Tesla Model Y you want to see, hit me a note or a comment down below, and I'll do it for you. Thank you, and until the next video. Bye-bye.